also supply water and energy in California. Now also coming up on the left, you'll see a small plaque. This is symbol of the state line between Nevada and Arizona. Your town in Arizona. Now being that we're in Arizona, that means I can get you something free because there's nothing free in Vegas, okay? So do I have anybody on the coast that like to go bike riding, rollerblading, skateboarding, power walking, jogging? Anybody? I'm going to take you to a place that is free. Okay, everybody on the left side of the coast, it cost over $69 million to build that overpass. The work is down anywhere from 45 to 75, even as high as $125 an hour. They had to use helicopters to throw each section of this pillow down, and they only had one shot at it because they used quick dry cement. On one side of our dam, we got Lake Mead. The other side, we got the Colorado River. Now, your second surprise, once you pull on that overpass, you slow down and pull to the right so you get a beautiful view, and hopefully you get some beautiful pictures of the Colorado River. On the way back, I'm going to slow down and pull to the right so you can see the Hoover Dam from the bypass bridge. Would that make you happy? I told you, you hit the right one today, baby. You better look up on that web. Egg and cheese, they got a ham, egg and cheese, they got a sausage, egg and cheese, or egg and cheese, or just a grilled cheese sandwich, or you can get you a BLT. They also have a turkey sub, or pastrami sub, or a Philly sub, or you can get the famous to die for bacon cheeseburger. But they're not complimentary. So if you decide you want to order a breakfast sandwich or a sandwich, when you come back to the coach, come see me so I can take your order and call it in. I don't get tourists. Alright, everybody, on the count of 3, and let me hear you say, whoa! That's the one I want to hear, that second, woo! That's our Arizona spillway.
Oh.
That's how we let the water out once the dam overfloods. The last time the dam overflooded was back in '92. I come out this way, the water was shooting up so high, I took pictures, sent back to my family and friends, and told them I went to Niagara Falls. Well, how would they know? They ain't never left no sound before. You better not tell them me either. You better not put on that Snapchat, Instagram, or Twitter, or Facebook. They'll tell the story. Take a look out there, Twitter. Take a look out there to the left. See those 4 towers? Those are intake towers. That's where the water goes through the filters down to the bottom of the dam to the 17 turbo generator. Now, folks, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pull up on top of the mountain. I'm going to park the coach, give you an opportunity to go out and take pictures in front of the dam, in front of the Hoover Dam sign, possibly visit the Hoover Dam gift shop. Also, folks, in the gift shop, they have a gift box that have all your souvenirs of the Hoover Dam. Okay, it's only $19. It'll save you a lot of time. You don't have to go around picking different souvenirs. You can just get your souvenir box. Now, folks, your second stop in about 45 minutes to make a breakfast. All your valuable questions. So it's okay if you talk with your family and friends. All I ask is that you be considerate to others. Please use a low tone. Okay, just in case some want to get them in a nice power nap. So it's okay if you talk with your family and friends. I just ask that you please be considerate to others, okay? Please take all electronic devices, cell phones, put them on a silent ringtone, okay? And use your headsets. Please do not use your loudspeakers because it will disturb others, okay? Now, once we get in the middle of the desert, she was famous for her grease burgers. Matter of fact, her establishment burned down because of a grease fire. But believe it or not, all the motorcyclists joined together, did a fundraiser, and raised money to rebuild the famous Ulysses jet. Now back in '92, when I moved out here, the water level was so high, it would run over this little spillway and into the big spillway. But we were able to walk out on that platform, and I can reach over there and almost touch the water. That's how much water we've lost since I've been here. Now, you know, it's all about the way you shake a person's hand, determine what you can have in Vegas and what you can't. Once they built this overpass to the left, the people wanted to bungee jump off of it. Vegas said no. Well, that's because they didn't shake the right person's hand right. Because if they did, they would get the bungee jump off that overpass. But being that Vegas said no, 3 decided to bungee jump, but without the bungee cord. Yeah, the last one, the young lady, they tried to stop her, but they couldn't get to her. 9 months ago, a young lady jumped in a cab out of Las Vegas, took the cab out this way, jumped out the cab, ran towards the middle overpass, and was threatening to jump. They had to close it down from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. But they were able to capture her and tackle her down before she was able to jump. Welcome back to Nevada. Now, the best way to test your friendship and your love affair is to bring them out here to the Hoover Dam. If you and your best friend or your loved one can stand in one of these slots together and look down into the dam together, that means you trust them with your life. I brought my loved one down here. We were 3-4 slots away from each other. I found out they finished in 1935. There's been a total of 6 that fell off that